Hello guys. It is I, Jacob Serial. Today I will be showing you guys my new wallet. The story of this is, I saw a lot of people, especially K-pop stans, use this wallet. I thought it was really cute, so I decided to buy one. The thinking process was about 2 weeks, and lastly I lost the fight with the temptations of the devils. A mutual on Twitter was selling this, and it was quite cheap than most sellers, so I decided to grab one. I didn't know which color I want, so she suggested purple, so I just went for it, cause why not? I was actually screaming from the mailbox all the way to my room while holding this. But y'all don't need to see that to preserve your cochlea. Now, let's open this beauty. She gave some photocards as a free gift. I almost cried upon seeing Hwall in that pic. Support his solo debut, Lil Petit Prince. I thought I was seeing things when I saw his tiny hand. Here's another photo card of Sangayan. First of all, it's made of soft plastic. It comes with a strap too. It has this logo, and it comes with these compartments. These are my collection of Polaroids and photocards. It's pretty unorganized at the moment. Don't judge me. I ain't those aesthetic YouTube channels. I was planning on how to decorate it. This is how it looked like while thinking which stickers and photo cards to use. Hi Sangayan. After changing and planning for quite a while, I have finally finished this wallet. I freaking love the result, and I'm gonna show news face to everyone. In the inside, I used some stickers I bought online 2 months ago, just to make it look more pleasing. And then I put some cash. Cause it's not a wallet for nothing. This is a back with a pic of Monster X Min Hyuk and some stickers as usual. Yes, that's my handwriting. I wrote that, so I will never give up in achieving my dreams. That sounds so cliche, but you will never know when I will need some tiny encouragement. Besides that, I added the bookmark to spice up the look. I bought it when I was binging on books. Well, I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you'll like this very much. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day. Always remember, Eric loves you.